Today is the day that you guys have been waiting for, man. I got a lot of emails, I got a lot of inboxes, I got a lot of questions and comments in the comment section of guys asking what's in those bags. Man, you could have did us the favor and showed us what's in the bags. I kind of waited, man. I wanted to wait till I got enough views so I'd only have to put this video out one time, okay? And I wouldn't have to go back and keep answering the same questions. Even though I don't have a problem talking to you guys, you know that I answer most of the questions that are in my comment section, but I wanted to wait, wanted to make sure we got enough people that are gonna be watching so I can just open up the bags one time, show it, close them, and we can move on to something else, right? Disclaimer, okay? I'm not going to go into great detail. And the reason why is a lot of these professionals don't want their recipe to be given out, all right? I'm not gonna give out anybody's recipe because it's not mine to give. These guys make their money that way. That's their jobs. That's how they feed their families. So what do I look like trying to do something like that? I'd be a jerk for doing it. But what I will give you guys is everything, and I mean everything, on my receipt, okay? I'll give you everything on the receipt. I think that's more than fair, all right? This is a $3,500 setup, all right? It's $3,500 because of a few things. Everybody has their own installation rate, okay? I think I probably paid $1,000 in installation. The speakers, depending on your speakers, it's pretty much is going to be like the main thing of your bulk of your price, your speakers and your amps. So that can be whatever you guys choose, whatever, you know. If you got an installer in a whole nother state, I'm in Florida, whatever state, some guys just like to use certain things, okay? I went with Mmats speakers. A lot of guys use Hertz, a lot of guys use PRV, a lot of guys use Bama. They're all great speakers. Some guys use Diamond Audio, Sounds. Everybody has something that fits their needs. I know a lot of the Sounds guys, they like to use their speakers because their guys are more riders, okay? Their guys are doing long distance trips, you know what I mean? So those guys will tend to, you know, angle that way. PRV guys, just my opinion, what I noticed, they're the guys that like to pull up to the parking lot and show off, you know? They got a lot of deep bass. They like theirs for that, okay? I'm a Mmats guy. Mmats speakers get down, okay? When I say get down, they get down in bass. They get low, all right? They're an underrated speaker, just in my opinion. And I only say they're underrated because there's so many newer speakers taking over that nobody really, they don't go to Mmats for the bass and all those things anymore. Yes, Mmats is not the highest output speaker you can buy, of course. But it works in a good combination. It works in a good package. I'm gonna play some music for you guys today. It's gonna be a little something different just so you can see a little bit more of how much range these speakers actually have. Not that I'm promoting, because they have not given me a discount. I'm not getting paid by anybody to make this video. I'm not getting anything. I'm just saying this is what I use and this is why I use it. But now, the things you can't see, okay? I'm running two Sound Digital amps. They're 800s. They're the Evo X's, the 800.4 Evo X's, right? I'm running two of those up front. And the reason why I ran those because they're small. They're about as big as my hand. So there's enough space for I can run two, all right? I don't have to use one big amp and then run another amp in one of my saddlebags. The Mmats speakers don't need a lot of power to push those speakers, actually. That's just my opinion. I've heard that from a few guys, but that's why I went with that. I'm running a DSP. It's the Rockford DSP. It's one that I've heard that's just been proven, okay? Rockford has an amp also. I'm sorry, not an amp, but they do have amps, but they have an app that you can actually go in and kind of tune yourself. If you're not good at tuning, guys, don't mess with it. The biggest thing with your system is your tune. So your installer, he's gonna sit there and tune each speaker one by one to get the most out of the speaker, okay? For your application, he wants it to sound great before it starts to distort. These speakers can get very loud. These Mmats speakers can push a lot of more power than what they're rated for, okay? That was a big thing for me. That's what I pretty much said, okay, I can take a chance on these speakers because if I pop one, they got a good warranty. If I pop one and I need to pay for it, I won't feel bad paying for it. Now, you have some of those speakers that are from PRV, those carbon fiber ones. Oh my God. They're expensive speakers, man. Very expensive speakers. But so I'm gonna go over here and show you the bike, and I'm gonna show you the setup real quick. All right, the drum roll, please. This is what you guys have been waiting for. Watch this. It's a Mmats setup, like I said to you guys. This is how it looks. Don't mind all my junk in here. All right, so you want to know the models. I know there's a couple of guys that were asking me for the models. A lot of guys won't show you. They will always keep their bags closed and bags locked down here. These people are very competitive. All right, so my installer, look how nice and neat everything looks. It all looks like, you know, if I ever had to remove something, I can probably take it out myself. That's how good I think it looks. I mean, everything just looks professionally done. I'm sorry if the light's catching you guys. These are the Mmats PA1010s, okay? They're rated at 300 watts. Am I probably pushing more out of them? Yes, most definitely I am. These speakers are made to handle it. The 6x9s, PA690s, 4CXs, okay? The installation work is very good. Don't forget, I have Bama tweeters up front, okay? The Mmats Neo 600 speaker with the Bama tweeter in the middle. Those tweeters do a lot of the work. They give it that carrying sound that you guys are probably hearing from when I, you know, back up. I'm standing pretty far away, and then that's when you hear that sound is just carrying out. I'm gonna play something for you. You guys tell me what you think. And also, before I forget, what the song I'm gonna play for you is based on how my music's tuned. Okay? Real quick, before I even play the music, get a good battery. AGM lithium battery. That's it. If you want to sit in the parking lot and your bike still crank up after you're done playing your music, you need a good battery or you'll be stuck. Or you'll be calling somebody to come help you. My music is tuned, so I don't have a lot of rattling. My lock there doesn't rattle, okay? Carpet is done with Dynamat behind it. That's why I put carpeted in it. It looks better with carpet in it anyway. So let me play this for you guys. Tell me what you think. All right, guys. I'm about to play a song for you. I want to know what you guys think of the song and pretty much how it sounds tuned for this setup. All right. So I'm going to back this song up real quick. Let me see if I can work this thing. All right, guys, I'm gonna back this song up. Let me see if I can play it for you.
I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air. I never land, just float, babe. As I'm looking up, suddenly the sky erupts. Flames alert the trees, spread to fallen leaves. Now they're wait if I'm on fire. How am I so deep in love when I dream of dying? I never felt so loved. I've been having dreams, splashing in the summer street, tripping, I fall in. I wanted it to happen. My body turns to ice, crushing weight of paradise. Solid block of gold, lying in the cold. I feel right. Wait if I'm on fire. How am I so deep in love when I dream of dying?
Listen, the music sounds absolutely, positively the best for me. I'm not one of those guys that are pushing 3,000, 5,000 watts. I got a $3,500 setup with 1,600 watts of power. And I think it can hang in the paint with a lot of guys, okay? I've seen a lot of guys pull up to the parking lot and they got these long bags and they got these big speakers, and when it plays, it just plays like this. I'm not talking junk, okay? I'm just saying it's playing like this, bang, 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 bang. There's no ups, there's no downs. It's just playing loud. If you like the setup, let me know you like the setup, man. I appreciate any kind of, you know, appreciation, you know. This is a setup that the average guy can go out and buy if he wants to, you know, if you're into music like that. If you say, hey, I'm ready to give up a little bag space to play some nice music for me and my, you know, significant other to enjoy while we're riding wherever. This is a setup that I don't have to worry about catching on fire. I don't have to worry about, you know, something going out on me, because it's just not like it's too much, but it's just right for me. Some guys might say, hey man, you need to get a little deeper bass. I can turn the bass down. I can make the bass deeper, but I don't need to. It's already tuned and dialed in for me. Watch this, guys. Don't let your tuner tune you for country music when you listen to rock music. Don't let them you know, don't let them tune you for gospel music when you're listening to all-out bass rap, okay? I played this song for you because I want you to hear the voice, the vocals. It's not just playing music, boom, 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 boom. Okay, a lot of competition guys, no disrespect, play just music because they want you to feel the music. They want your ears to be pierced. I'm playing it because this is how you're going to be listening to your music. Highs, lows, all those octaves, all that. That's how you're listening to your music. You're not riding around just playing bass music all day. All right, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, help me out. I'm still going to keep making music. I'm still going to keep making videos. Quickly. I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. I've reached 1,000 subscribers. Hand clap. High fives, fist bumps, everything like that. I've got to 1,000 subscribers, guys. So I'm gonna do a giveaway. I just think it's for me to show my appreciation, man. That you guys really stopped by, checked out my video, all the great comments you guys have for me. So I'm gonna do that for you guys. It's gonna be February the 15th, day after Valentine's Day. Listen, man, this is for the fellas, man. I'm tired of it. This is for the fellas. We need something too. I'm giving you guys something. One lucky subscriber. You have to be a subscriber and you have to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna find one guy who does both, and I got something for you, all right? A nice giveaway. Trust me, you're gonna like it. It's from Harley Davidson himself. So take that with you. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Peace.